Hello friends, welcome to Dipenism. I am Dr. Dipen and today I want to use this platform in order to share my views and create awareness about cancer. Today is February 4th and I wouldn't say that it is celebrated as, I would rather say this day is recognized as World Cancer Day in order to spread awareness on a large level. And I want to take this initiative in this same direction. Now, cancer has been considered as a silent killer because when the tumor gets enlarged to such an extent, then the signs and symptoms are experienced by the patient. And that is where the treatment becomes very difficult since it gets diagnosed on the terminal stages. Hence, preliminary diagnosis is very important, and for that we should be aware about how the cancer can be diagnosed or identified. Now, India ranks third in the world, and definitely we do not want India to top in this scenario. We would want that India ranks at the bottom in cancer cases which are reported. One of the commonest cancer in India is breast cancer in females, wherein a simple mammography test can help us to diagnose if there is development of cancerous condition. Also, experiencing lump or swelling or sudden variation in size and shape of the breast can be indicative that there are certain risk factors associated. Every female should be aware about self breast examination in order to rule out the risk of cancer. The second most commonest cancer occurring is the cervical cancer. Now, cervix is the lower part of the uterus, wherein sometimes the abnormal growth of the cells causes cervical cancer. A pap smear test is performed where a small biopsy tissue is taken in order to rule out the chance of cervical cancer. The third most commonest cancer in India is oral cancer, where structures of the oral cavity like lips, tongue, cheeks or even jaws gets affected, and there is swelling of the lymph nodes and whitish discoloration and patches or redness appears on the oral mucosa. Hence, it is very essential to identify such variations which are occurring so that it can be treated very easily. Yes, cancer in today's world is easily treatable. Definitely the patient and the family members go through a lot of troubles, but that is how the scenario is. So the best thing would be to prevent cancer. Prevention is always better than cure. So I want to use this opportunity to share some of the preventive measures which can be adopted. One of them is maintaining a very healthy lifestyle. That is, a physical activity and exercise throughout the day has to be there at least for 15 to 20 minutes. Obesity has been linked with the risks of cancer. Hence, weight reduction is an important criteria by maintaining physical activity. Second most, quitting of all the addictive habits like chewing of tobacco or smoking or alcohol, because all of them are associated with cancerous condition. Definitely those who are smoking, they are active smokers, but understand that when you smoke, all of us around become passive smokers and it affects our health as well. Hence, quitting the habit is very essential. Definitely I understand that these are addictions and to de-addict yourself is very difficult. Soon I'll be posting a video how you can de-addict yourself by developing your willpower. Third method of avoiding cancerous condition is consuming healthy foods. For example, those which are rich in antioxidants. Now, antioxidants are certain chemicals which neutralizes the free radicals which may be generated in our cells. So antioxidant rich diets like fruits and vegetables, like there is strawberries, there are citrus fruits, there is broccoli, spinach, even tomatoes which contains a chemical called lycopene. This all help to prevent cancerous condition. So maintaining a healthy lifestyle and healthy diet is one of the best ways to prevent cancer. Also, routine testing should be done in order to just rule out the risk factors. So that is how we can prevent cancer, fight with it, and support those people who are fighting with cancer. Yes, we are aware about so many celebrities who have fought the cancer and come back hale and hearty. But definitely, we have to maintain a positive attitude and we can rule out cancer out of our life. That's all from my side. Thank you from Dipenism.